monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. This is an national emergency. Official messages will follow the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the New York City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for
there's no message.
Charles City, PA, Chesterfield, PA, Kennedy, PA, Essex, PA, Washington, PA, PA, Henrico, PA, King, Queen, PA, King, PA, Lancaster, PA, Louisville, PA, required monthly test for Cat, PA, Prince George, PA, Richmond, PA, Sussex, PA, Westmoreland, Washington County, do again. Hewitt County, Caroline County, Doncaster County, 15 a.m. A required monthly test has been issued for Hewitt County, Caroline County, Charles City County, Chesterfield County, Bristol City of Emporia, God County, Henrico County.
These interviews and pieces of evidence.
Northumberland County, the city of Petersburg, Mountain County, Prince George County, the city.
Oh yeah, because they use text-to-speech. There goes WUPV. Oh, they got it on the 4th sub-channel now. And on the 5th. I'm gonna drop my phone. Alright. There we go. Oh, and they can't pull text-to-speech. That's nice.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. This has been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the New York City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Sorry for the terrible videoing on that. I've got eyes on a TV station that failed to relay Richmond's test. Yep, they failed.
Or visit us online today. Loan Depot, home purchase, home refinance, and the official mortgage provider of Major League Baseball.
Non-attorney spokesperson. This is a paid advertisement for legal services sponsored by Nightline Legal. Cases assigned on a random basis to participating law firms. If you or a loved one were exposed to paraquats and later diagnosed with Parkinson's disease, call right now. You may be entitled to financial compensation. Paraquats, a highly toxic commercial herbicide, has been...
Reach all the way up.
552-6878.
WRIC
Less
is
makeup
going on
means no need for a wipe. Think again. Neutrogena Makeup Remover
Yep, I
Wipes.
believe they
Remove the
did
30% of makeup ordinary cleansers can leave behind.
Let's see if
All-time
VPM.
movies on the leaderboard today.
Let's see if VPM's finally going.
The
No.
crisis deepens for
So I'm gonna add
So we'll go back to
Commended brand helps keep baby skin drier and healthier, so every touch will protect like the first. Pampers.
yeah, they did change their scroll.
I'm still exploring what's next and still going for my best, even though I live with a higher risk of stroke due to AFib not caused by a heart valve problem. So if there's a better
it's
treatment than
scrolling
warfarin,
again.
I'm reaching for that. Eliquis. Eliquis is proven to reduce stroke risk better than warfarin, plus has significantly less major
not
bleeding than
wrong,
warfarin.
County scroll
Eliquis is
through.
FDA approved and has both. What's
Alright, if
next?
this is the last alert in the
I'm on
video,
board.
thank you
Don't
for
stop
watching.
taking Eliquis unless your doctor tells you to.